Hello friends, welcome back to Clear Speak Academy. Join me as I try to improve my English speaking skills in my daily conversations. Can I make a real change in just 1 week? Let's find out. Speaking English well is very important today. It helps us find new chances and meet people from different places. When we can talk clearly, we can make friends and understand others better. This is important for both our personal and work lives. But speaking English every day is not easy for many people. The first big problem is a small vocabulary. Many times, we don't know the right words to say what we feel, and that can be very upsetting. Another problem is a lack of confidence. Even if we know some grammar and words, we feel shy or scared to speak because we think people will laugh or judge us. Also, there are cultural differences. Some English phrases or expressions are hard to understand. Idioms and slang can make us feel confused. We might worry about making mistakes, so we don't talk much, and this stops us from learning. But don't worry. With the right methods and a positive attitude, anyone can improve their English speaking skills. I will share some simple and helpful tips that helped me. These tips will show you how to learn more words, practice speaking, and have better conversations. A great way to learn new words is to read more. You can read stories, news, or even short articles. This will help you see how words are used in sentences. Listening is also very helpful. You can watch English movies or TV shows with subtitles. Listen to podcasts or talk to native speakers if possible. This will help you hear how people speak naturally. Speaking practice is very important. Find a language partner online or in person, and have regular talks. You can also record yourself speaking and listen to it later. This will help you see where you can improve. Remember, making mistakes is okay. It's part of learning. Try to practice every day, even if it's just 10 to 15 minutes. Small, regular practice is better than doing a lot at once and then stopping. Stay motivated and feel proud of your progress, no matter how small. When I started my own journey, I was scared to speak. But with daily practice, I became more confident. I still make mistakes, but now I see them as a chance to learn. I learned that improving my English takes time. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's about trying and learning a little more every day. In the end, learning to speak English well takes time and effort. It's a journey, not a race. Keep practicing, stay positive, and believe in yourself. Thank you for watching. Please share your own experiences and thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to watch my next video, where I will share more tips for advanced English speaking.